Alright, we're back out at the airport again. We're waiting at this random gate we found. It's really cold outside. It's 41 degrees. And it's 3:27. And there's a couple planes taking off at 3:30. There's 2 Americans, and I saw a Delta on the other side. I think one of these is taking off at 3:30. And the Delta's taking off at 3:34. So we got a couple flights, and we got an arrival at 3:44. Sundays are usually busy, but we came at like the wrong time. So we got a few more minutes. That's a CRJ 900, and that's an Embraer 145. That's what those two are. The Delta over there is like a CRJ 900 also. It's foggy too, so yeah. So there's 2 that's 8, and that's way over there at 10. So in about 2 minutes they should start taking off. Delta's pulling out.
Where's it going?
Atlanta. They all do.
You wanna get out for a minute?
Yeah. It's going that way.
Are you zoomed in?
Bad focus.
Touch the screen where the airplane is and it'll focus right there.
No, don't.
Yeah, set your focus. Hard to do. No, that's good enough.
So it's going down there again, so we're gonna get to see it. There it goes. Going to Atlanta.
It's way over there to the left. You got it.
Way back to Atlanta. They all go to Atlanta. We all know that. I dumped a sign here in the way. There she goes. I can't see her.
And I could be wrong. I have not seen any polls. But I can
It's turning already.
I didn't know you could get discounts. No. I think you're right. Now, a Delta, let's say, they say they serve 180
And it
here.
is
180 million.
something coming in. Another American. So we're gonna have 3 Americans on this side.
Have you seen some people walking around the Americans that are at the terminal?
I don't know which one's taking off though. We got this one arrived early.
I'm guessing the smaller one.
You can't even see it anymore. It's like
I can see it.
it's
You might not be able to.
taxiing down that way. So it's that one must be going to 6. Yeah, there it is. it's silent. This one must be going to 6. Because it seems like 4 and 8 are...
Full?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I lost it. That's another Embraer 145, the small ones. It's the ones that they usually have. And this one, is this one from Dallas or Chicago? I think it's from Chicago. The one taking off is going to Charlotte. And then the other one's going to Dallas. I don't know where this one's going to be going to.
Looks like they might have the guys out by that bigger American out there. Maybe that's the one.
This one, the
They're gonna
900?
back up. Yeah, there's
The
guys standing in
CRJ.
each wingtip, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like they're backing that one out. But they got the gate.
Excuse me.
That one's going to Charlotte, I think. That one's going to Dallas, so yeah. Where is this one going? Is it turning? There's no gate there. Doesn't look like, that looks like it's turning. See a guy walking out to that one.
Are there 2 gates there on the end?
No, there's one that's 10, and there's 9s on that side. I don't even know where this one is going. Oh, I think it's parked right there, Dad.
Yeah, I think you're
The
right.
light's turned off on it. Is it parked? There's no gate there. Oh, I bet you they're gonna move gate 10 over to that one. Yeah, that's really weird though, because that one's about to back out. That is some weird arrangements.
Are they backing the other one out yet?
No,
Have you paused?
backing out. This was going to Dallas.
Is it zoomed in all the way?
Mm-hmm. This one's backing out in a weird way. Where is it going?
Dallas, you said.
I know, but I mean, where's it
Focus
backing
on
out? Oh, it's backing out. Yeah, there it is.
The pole in front of you is what it's trying to focus on, is why it keeps doing that. Now you're gonna focus on the pole. Hard to do.
Fucking God, whatever. I'm sitting.
I hear pretty birds. I like pretty birds and turtles. Gotta have a music soundtrack to this.
Nah.
Yeah.
When's that one gonna back out? The one way down there.
10 or
The one that was Not the one that landed, but the one next to the one that landed. That's CRJ, yeah. Don't know when it's gonna take off.
Are there any more arrivals? No?
I don't know. I don't think so. Not till like 4:04. Oh.
That's only 9 minutes away.
Oh, it's 3:55. Wow, these are late. So I guess we can see the one at 4:04. Yeah, these lights are running right. This one's supposed to take off at 3:33. It's 22 minutes late. It's going.
What is that plane?
There's a American ERJ 45. 145. It's going to Dallas.
Are you cold? You want your window open?
No. So I had to take it off that way, I guess. I think actually that other one's taking off at 4:04. Yeah, it is. So, yeah. Alright, it's taking off. I had to turn my brightness down because the phone's dead. And you can't get that dumb thing off of there unless you turn the brightness all the way down. It's dumb, but this one's taking off. I don't know if it affects the film.
I don't think so.
If it's really that dark or if you're seeing normal. I don't think it affects the camera. And there it goes. Can't even see it. Yeah, that one's gone.